Okay, here we go. Now it's something that you use with your hands. Is it going to be so much fun? Now you can see. It's slime! It's green slime and purple slime! Are you so happy? Want me to open one up?
I want the green.
The green one? Okay.
I'll take that one for later.
Okay. There you go. Oh, don't touch it! Oh, it's so gross.
It looks like an ice cube.
Is it crunchy and hard? Whoop. I bet if you squish it in your hands, it'll warm up. Remember, we only play with it on the table, though, okay?
Okay.
Take it all out. Can you dump it over? Will it come out? Oh, some of it came out. There you go. Grab it. Oh, it's almost coming out. It's coming out. Oh, yucky! Part of it's escaping. Is that so good?
Yeah.
And look at it's glittery. I think it might just be cold right now. If it's once it warms up, because it was in the garage. You're all glittery. Oh no! You got glitter fingers. Let's see the glitter fingers. Show me your glitter fingers.
I will wash my hands in a little bit.
Okay. Can I show you? Can you show me your glitter fingers? Oh yeah, they're so glittery. It's shiny. I love it.
I'm trying to stretch it out.
That's good. It's weird stuff, isn't it? You're not supposed to eat it, so don't eat it, okay?
Abby didn't eat it.
That's good. It kind of bounces. Can you make it into a little ball and bounce it?
Is this a ball?
Kind of. See if it'll bounce. Good one.
When I do this,
And look at all the glitter on this one right here. It's black with glitter. Or green with glitter. Isn't it? I think it's stiff because it's been in the garage and the garage is freezing cold right now. I think it'll warm up and be a little more gooey.
I think I want to put it back in here.
Okay, that's a very big girl thing to do. Yep, stuff it in there. My goodness, now I think you need to wash your hands. They're all glittery. Can you put the lid back on also?
Is it on?
It is on. Very good. Very good. Okay, was that a good present?
Yeah.
A good surprise? I'm glad.
Tomorrow I want another.
Oh, do you? Well, you might be in for a surprise then. Goodbye.
I do love surprises.
You love surprises? That's good.